At Poolwerx, we believe every Polaris pool cleaner deserves a good pool to call home. And every family with a pool deserves a good and faithful Polaris cleaner.
The seasons are changing, and now is the perfect time to choose the perfect Polaris for you and your family. What is the perfect model for your family? Is it a robotic Alpha IQ Plus?
Who likes your belly rub? You want to leave? You want to leave? You want to leave, buddy?
One of the many breeds of pressure side cleaners like a 280 or Quattro?
Oh, did you have an accident? Did you have an accident? Want a treat, buddy? Want a treat?
Or maybe the suction style cleaner, Atlas.
The cleaner that is meant for you is in our stores, anxiously awaiting to go home with you and spend quality time maintaining your pool for your family for many years to come.
What are you gonna name him?
Algernon.
Please. The suffering can end now. Come find your Polaris and take him home to your family today.